What are the career tracks for a software tester? Or said another way, what are the career paths that a software tester can follow? And I'll say we've heard this question often, and it's a great question. In response to that, we actually built a graphic that I think is just so very helpful in helping you to determine which path you want to follow with your testing career. Like any of this, you really want to start with the fundamentals. So you need to have, something like not something like, but you need to have the ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation level. And that's really about terminology and basic principles and making sure that you can communicate effectively with your team and that you're all on the same page, if you will, which builds great efficiency in a team, whether you're working with people right next to you or on the other side of the world. But beyond that, this graphic that we have for the software testing path is great. And what I want you to do is, if you go to astqb.org, the path starts by kind of separating into two paths, but you can really jump from one to the other. One is focused more on a professional testing career, where you're very focused on just the core elements of software testing, software quality. And the other gives you more emphasis on specialty skills, which is a great way to then branch off and really develop some unique skills that really set you apart. When you look at the graphic, I want you to focus on the top line, which really helps you determine what you need. It's not about, you shouldn't necessarily look for a certification, but this path helps you look at what you want to be, and then it lets you know which certification will help you get there. So for example, if you want to be, on an agile team, there's agile testing certification. Makes sense. If you want to be an agile leader, there's agile technical testing, and that would be a great kind of advanced step. But if you wanted to focus on other areas, let's say you want to work with customers, well, ISTQB test analysis or test analyst is really what you want there. If you want to work with code, kind of dabble in that a little bit, some black box testing and whatnot, then the technical test analyst is for you. If you want to be a manager, well, then the easy answer, the obvious answer is ISTQB test manager, but also followed then by test management if you really want to lead on a bigger scale. Beyond that, in the specialty side, if you're interested in security testing or test automation, usability testing, performance testing, business analysis, mobile testing or automotive testing, model-based testing, there are certifications that can lead you down the path with all of those in a way that helps to really, you go down that path and it really helps to build your career and build some I guess, a reputation and the skills that go with it, because it really makes you stand out. So in all of these, the syllabus is a great place. After you've looked at this career path, go look at the syllabus. The syllabus is free. You can download it for free. You can look through it and see really what the body of knowledge is. It's more than just a simple syllabus. It's really a body of knowledge related to that particular testing area or testing level. And when you read through that, I think it will really answer the question, is this what I want to focus on next in my career or in terms of developing my skills or capabilities? So start with the software testing career path. You can just go to astqb.org, look for the roadmap or career path. You can search for it there, or you can just look for it in the links. And then take a look at those, see what's interesting to you, and then download the free syllabus or body of knowledge and really get a more in-depth feel for whether or not this is the step you want to take. That's really the easy way to determine what route do you want to follow next with your software testing career. And it's easy and it's free to go through and pull down that information. So good luck with it.